Physical fitness testing for week 2. What is flexibility? Flexibility is the ability of the joints and muscles to move through its full range of motion. To test your flexibility of the shoulder girdle, you will perform zipper test. Here's the equipment. Ruler. Procedure for the performer. Stand erect. Raise your right arm, bend your elbow, and reach down across your back as far as possible. To test the right shoulder, extend your left arm down and behind your back. Bend your elbow up across your back, and try to reach or cross your fingers over those of your right hand as if to pull a zipper or a scratch between the shoulder blades. To test the left shoulder, stand erect, raise your left arm, bend your elbow, and reach down across your back as far as possible. To test the left shoulder, extend your right arm down and behind your back. Bend your elbow up across your back, and try to reach or cross your fingers over those of your left hand as if to pull a zipper or a scratch between the shoulder blades. For the partner. Observe whether the fingers touched or overlap each other. If not, measure the gap between the middle fingers of both hands. Record the distance in centimeter. Scoring, record the gap or overlap to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. This time you will be tested through sit and reach to measure the flexibility of your lower back and extremities. Here's the equipment. Tape measure or meter stick. Cardboard or paper. Procedure for the performer. Sit on the floor with back, head and shoulders flat on the wall. Feet are 12 inches apart. Interlock thumbs and position the tip of the fingers on the floor without bending the elbows. Place hands on top of the cardboard or paper where the tips of the middle fingers are at the top edge of the cardboard or paper. Start the test by pushing the cardboard or paper slowly and try to reach the farthest distance possible without bending the knees. Bouncing or jerking movement is not allowed. Do it twice. For the partner. As the performer interlock thumbs and position the tip of the fingers on the floor without bending the elbows, position the 0 point of the tape measure at the tip of the middle fingers of the performer. See to it that the knees are not bent as the performer slides the farthest distance that he could. Record farthest distance reached in centimeters. Scoring, record the distance to the nearest 0.1 centimeters.